In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use geometry nodes to influence another mesh's rotation status. Please press Ctrl, Alt, Q, together to quad view. If I move the cylinder, the cube is rotating along the Z axis to follow the cylinder. We can do this with constraints as well. There are 3 objects in the scene, and only the cube has the geometry nodes. Here are the full nodes, and I'll zoom in shortly. This is where we assign the cylinder and the cube as active objects. I'll create a sample animation by utilizing what we have learned so far. If you don't see the curve knots in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. I'll use a torus, but we'll see the curve knot was made out of 3 separate curve circles. That means only one curve gets the torus instances. We could separate the objects now, but if we were to separate them, then we'll have to apply the geometry nodes to all of them separately. That worked, but in order for us to rotate the torus meshes individually, we'll need to separate them first. Let's create an animation by making the empty object to follow a curved circle by using a constraint. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.